Hey guys, today I'm gonna be playing Build a Boat for Treasure with my dad. So yeah, and there's a new map, and it's like a board game. And yeah, well, day and night, I guess what it's called. So like, we're gonna do the glitch. What are you building, Dad?
I'm gonna join my team.
Oh, wait, what team are you? I wanna be closer. I'm closer at yellow. You're at black. Okay, hey, what am I doing? Yeah. Glitch? Daddy! Okay. No, that's not right. No! Daddy! No! It's so hard. Daddy, I'm gonna launch my boat. I'm going over here. New area. Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay, keep going. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Daddy! I died.
By the way, guys, we're on a boat right now. We're on vacation.
Oh yeah, like, what is the boat called right now, Dad?
It's called the Titanic.
Yeah, we're at a hotel right now. So yeah.
Yeah, inside the boat.
Yeah, what? Ah, that was the horn. Okay. This way. Ow!
By the way, I have some coins to spend, so what should I get?
Oh, you have a lot of coins, Daddy. Hey. So, look at that beautiful sky. Whoa, whoa. Don't. So, guys, this is a day and night board game thing. I don't know what it's called. Link in the description. Or any video, I don't know. Just see what kind of map it's called. This map. So yeah, it does like something like that. Oh God! Ah! Well, here we are. Ah! Daddy, my thing's gone. The dice touch you, you're fine. It's just like that. Whoa! So here's day here, and then night. I'm like day. I can see. It's like a board game. I'm not sure, guys. Link in the description. Or a mini video? No. Hello, girl. Dad, look at this girl shooting a bow and arrow. Dad. Look at this girl shooting a bow and arrow.
Nice.
They look different. Oh, there's a king on the bright side and then king on the dark side. Okay. Well, yeah, that's that. Why is it there? Wow. This is black too? Yeah. Well, Daddy, are you gonna meet me at this map?
I'm just
Hurry.
making something right now.
Oh, Daddy's gonna build something. Ooh. It's cool what he's building. So please subscribe if you want to see that video. What he's gonna be when he's done with the thing he's building. So make sure you subscribe. So yeah. Okay, what am I doing? Should I just die now? Or like what? Oh! I'm just gonna die. What? Wait, can I die by this thing? Whatever, die. Oh yes, we touched it. Yay. Wait, not. Okay. Yeah. I guess that's the end of the video. That's all I wanted to show you guys. So yeah. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that subscribe button and like the video. I don't know if I already said that. But yeah, just do all the things I usually say in my videos. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.